Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to suggest your TikTok account to others. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Why does TikTok suggest account for you to follow? TikTok suggested account are a way to help you find and follow people you might know on the platform. It's a way to grow your community. There are numbers of ways that TikTok identifies account to suggest to a user. And what if you want to suggest your account to others, to maybe to your contacts or other social media? It's so simple. So first of all, we have to open our TikTok. Now you can open your profile. You can tap on the up right corner, the three lines over here. Tap on settings and privacy. Tap on privacy. You'll find there is an option suggest your account to others. You can just tap on that. Here you can choose where you want to suggest your TikTok account. Maybe to contacts. When the toggle is in this page is switched on, your account will be suggested to corresponding users. You can tap on OK. So your account will be suggested to your contact. For this setting, you'll need to add phone number and add email or send your contact. And you can also suggest to your Facebook friends and also people who open other send links to you. So these three will suggest your account when they open the TikTok. It's so simple, right? So that is how to suggest your TikTok account to others. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!